Hi everyone and welcome to Tuesday's writing lesson. Today we are learning to use adjectives in our writing. To be successful, you should be able to say and do these things. I can write a sentence about a picture. I can use an uppercase letter at the beginning of my sentence. I can use a full stop at the end of my sentence. I can use one adjective in my sentence. The materials that you will need today are your writing book, a pencil, and the activity slides so that you can see the picture and the examples of how to write your sentence. Here's today's first activity. Look at the picture below and write 3 sentences about what you see. You need to use one adjective in each sentence and underline the adjective you have used. Remember, when you're writing sentences, you need to make sure you have an uppercase letter at the start of your sentence and a full stop at the end. Here is an example of my sentence for this picture. The friendly crocodile was reading a newspaper on the train. You'll notice that at the start of my sentence I have an uppercase letter. At the end of my sentence I have a full stop. And the word friendly is underlined because it is the adjective that I have used to describe the crocodile. If you go to the next slide, you'll be able to see the picture much bigger and you can write your own 3 sentences about what you see. If you're still a little bit stuck and you're not sure what to write about, here is an activity that might help you. Look at the picture again, and I want you to brainstorm or write down all of the characters that you can see. So if I'm looking at the picture, I can see there's a crocodile, there's a little girl, there's a young boy, there's a woman, an older man, and there's some other characters on the train as well. So I would write down all of those names. Then what I want you to do is look really closely at the characters that you've written down. So I'm going to look closely at the crocodile. And when you're looking at that character, I want you to write down as many words that you can that describe that character. So if I was looking at the crocodile, I might say he's green, he's tall, he's big, he has sharp teeth. He might be old because I can see that he's got some glasses on, so he might be an older crocodile. He looks like he might be smart or intelligent because he's reading a newspaper, so he might be smart. He's wearing a red jacket. He looks pretty cool in his jacket, so he could be a cool crocodile. He has strong legs. He has a strong looking tail. He has little or short arms, and his back looks really spiky. So these are some words that you could write down to describe the crocodile. The next thing that you need to do is to write down a sentence about that character using the words that you've come up with. So you might have a sentence that says, the crocodile is wearing a red jacket. You might have another sentence that says, the old crocodile was reading the newspaper. So they're just a few ideas that you could use to help you write some sentences.